Look what Eden found. It's a starfish. That's cool. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of St. Kitts Diaries, and today we're not doing a lot, but I think we're just going to the beach all day, so that'll be fun. But I'm just gonna get ready because it's hot. It is hot here. And why am I whispering? It is hot here. Anyways, so I'm gonna just wash my face and put some sunscreen on. That is really my skincare routine here. We're back at it again, guys. You can go all the way to the back. What was that felt? We are going to the beach all day. Shipwreck Sunday fun day. Wait, there's another scene. So our grandma lives here like half the year, and she goes to shipwreck a lot. So we're gonna go see what she's talking about. She's talking about. Hey. Let's get on the road. It's not that long. It's not that far away. Oh yeah, we have that. Hold on, I can't. We have. Yeah. Is it in the camera? I have no idea. They're matching cloth flip. Let's get on the road. Right. So we stopped to take some photos because we're up on top of this really high mountain and the view is awesome. So awesome. Look at this view. I think that's the other side of the island. But it's not a big island. Shrubs and green.
Yeah, I wouldn't take the going up there. Going up like that.
That'd be an awesome hill to roll down. Mongoose. Okay, so we got back. We got to the beach. We made it. We got back. I mean, we didn't go back, but we got to the beach and we found the monkeys. There's monkeys everywhere on this tiny little island. I hope none of them touches me. They won't. It's a girl with that tiny ball.
Do you guys want to play volleyball?
It's so flashlight.
He had his eyes closed and Joy kissed him on the lips. I was like, that was me.
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but look at Kaylin feet in the water. Come on, Kaylin, get comfortable.
Yep. Go it, Grace and Maddie.
Go with Grayson. Friday. We're trying to teach my cousin how to swim this week, so yeah. She's gonna be a pro by Friday.
Hopefully successful. Because we've been trying for a while now, so.
Well, because we haven't been in the pool constantly. She's holding a, oh, don't hold it. They gotta charge you. There's monkeys here and they're holding the, people go around with their buggies. And they charge you money. But yeah. So we're about to go make some jewelry with my grandma's friends. I think I'm gonna do a necklace. I'm doing a necklace. You're doing a necklace? Sorry. What?
You look greasy, girl.
It's because of the sunscreen.
Look at that bicep.
That was happening.
They're about to be like, I'm trying to figure dragon too. Eric, so the Eric.
Finished. Here's my necklace. So I'm about to go in the water. My mom put my hair up. So, you know, die. Craziness. Get in the water. Right now we're just sitting and relaxing. Are you relaxed? Meh. It shouldn't be meh, it should be yeah. Look what Eden found. It's a starfish. Finally got back after bajillions of millions of mosquitoes biting us, and that was so fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
But now it's time to get ready for bed before the and shower before the water goes off, because it supposedly goes off at 8, and it is actually 7:10. But thanks for watching. Day 2 complete.
It's 8:10.
Oh, it's 8:10. Bye.